guys. We're packing the boat now, guys. We're heading out. The next boat is on the other side, over there on the other side, guys. My hands are full. I can't direct the camera too tough, so I have to lean back and get the camera up. Yep. There, guys. We're going to be going away for a day. So we got to make sure we put gas in, all the camping gears, get our life jackets, all our survival gears in. We have the fishing rods, the bows, everything in sight. Jerk chicken. What a jerk chicken? Put up this up, this up.
Jerk chicken, you jerk chicken. Chicken jerk chicken. Jerk crab and a jerk crab, Alice crab.
Mine Alice crab on your circle here. Good plate, boy. Look at so I'm baguette. Yeah, so I'm baguette. Hold it. Man carry a hanger for hanging clothes, no?
Yeah, man. When I mix gas right now? No, I know we have that. Captain, I know. Oh. Right.
Alright. Alright, we have everything, chair, everything off of there. What's those? Bring those up now, man. Yeah, sure, fishing. We're pushing out very late, but we'll be alright. Yeah, guys, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We got the boat captain here. The other boat captain didn't show up, so we had to get our next brethren. And we're gonna push out now. We're getting everybody loaded on and we're ready to roll out, guys. Stay tuned, guys. We're late. We've been like 4 hours late, guys. I'm sorry about that, but we'll definitely get out there, guys, and definitely get some fishing in today. Stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Oh, this is nice lure fishing, boy. This water is perfect for lure fishing.
Yeah, what I said. Guns out?
Guns out, bro.
What we have to do, man, brother?
What? Oh, shit! Sorry. You alright? Shit.
Get the fish? Yeah, man, go on, man.
Get the drone. The drone right there, another black bag there. Sorry, brother. Is it a black bag?
I'm carrying on with you.
I just want to get the electronics off the boat first. Grab them here and just come out. See him time. Alright. Eh?
Right, sorry.
What up? What up?
You miss someone.
Put on the drone and everything else, brother. Put on the drone. What we are set up camp? Which part we are set up camp? In there, so?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll move this up. Let's offload the boat first. Come. Offload the boat first. Yeah, man, guys. Making shore fishing. Yo, check out the boat there. Check out the boat. Check out the boat and pass that thing. Check out the boat and arrow. And secure it. Eh? Remember I cool on the top them. Remember I cool on top them. Then grab the cooler. All right, so a nice spot, you know. Can't work. Bang, bang. Yo, Dean! Right, yes, sir. No, man. Yeah. Now walk out the whole of this, man, yeah. Eh? No. No, I don't know what's that. The bigger cooler have better icy drink or fish in that. Use the big cooler. The big cooler, they now round us. White and red one. Yeah, man. Watch out. Sorry, watch out wet dry bag. Yeah. What that? Yo, where you go?
No, I'm going to sit up 10.
Hold aside for me.
Right?
Pull it back over me, man. Over me, I try to get it. Over me, go. That the park up on the front. I front that. Yeah, with the local Ozark trail something funny. Turn so, yeah. Yeah. Alright, that's a perfect.
I want to go see if I see that tonight. No, I'm going to make it. Sorry. I will make it a okay.
Jamaican shore fishing. Big up yourself, guys. We are out here Jamaican shore fishing. Hook up them here. You see the hook them? Hook them like them here. One over there, so. Yeah, man, may I set up? You see it? Alright, unlock these strings. Them have strings tied on the tent top so I can't blow it. So I'm going to spike them in the ground with the spikes. And they hold the tent secure to the ground in case breeze start blow upon me. Just unlock it, man. Just take you out. Because what happened is that I have to tie it like that because so look here now. On the from 99 and go like so. Look. The string have to be spiked to the ground like I did that one. See spike here. I'll spike them on my hand. Let's go inside right away. Put this up a front on top of some drone.
Just.
Alright, now come. See, two more spikes here. One for this string and one for the next one.
Yeah,
give me this. Yeah, just push it through the loop. Go on, catch the next one. I'll catch this here. Dean, man. No, lean them up, man. Oh, no. put on the lure rod and my son took out. Yo, fast end though. 60-second tent then call it. I guess you're pushing the charge wire to charge your stuff them inside. Yeah. Alright, then I put everything back in that big bag and lock it up and put the bag inside so we don't lose the bag. Then I'll set up the awning. It's a fast house.
Look and see what kind of mansion I built up over here, you know?
Big fast house, you know?
Mansion.
Alright, we're gonna bring that.
What type one?
Yeah, I brought two here.
Oh.
Alright, that can go there. This can go there. And I can lock up. Cooler them stay in our shade then, so that they stay cool. This can stay outside. Right here with the tree. Huh? So my what? What milk? Huh? What milk? Oh, you did? Okay. On the inside. Alright, big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out here, guys. We're going to do some land-based hunting right now, guys. Stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. See if we can pick up a barrel out here, guys. Fish on, guys. Woo! Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. Woo! Damn snapper. Caught a nice red snapper a while ago, guys. Oh, nice jack just chased it, guys. Alright guys, I got 3 lines set. I don't know if you see. We're on an island, guys, and I'm going to do some lure fishing while those lines are set. So while those lines are sitting there, I'm just gonna walk this beach up a little bit. Should be able to run back and get to this. Fish on, guys. Oh fuck. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Got it. Everything out my pocket. Stupid lure got hitched up out there, guys. Alright, go get it. Yo, Dean! Yo! Yo! Dean! Pass me water shoes! Stupid lure got stuck, guys. I gotta go get him. Yo! Listen out for that line there, you hear then? Listen out for that line there. My damn line got stuck in a reef. I gotta go get it. My lure got stuck. I gotta go get it. Rocks one them sharp like fuck out them, man. Sharp, sharp, bud. And whole heap of sea urchins between the rocks on them. Oh. Holy fuck, man. Fucking water got my camera. It's supposed to be waterproof, I don't know how. It's supposed to be waterproof, I don't know how the fuck it happened. I'm gonna have to pull it up right now and leave it in the sun. Let it fucking dry.
So one camera the car?
No man, I have two cameras. The other one also. Look here, water going on front screen. I have no idea how the fuck that happened. But I'm gonna check the battery compartment. No water in here. No water went in through there. Alright. Check the SD card section.
See what you see at there now? Yo, wanna take up the line, take up the line, take up the line, take up the line and fling you out there. Take up the line and fling you out there.
Hold on, brother.
You take up the line now? You can't take up down the man and see.
You got something on, Jamaica.
Yo, wanna take out them and take out them and
Hold on, brother. I can't take up line. You're fighting the fish. Yo, brother, I feel the line them. Left the line them, man.
I feel line them.
Electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off. Not save me. I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are
Yo, so let me tell you they could have took up the radio and throw you out.
a million to drop that.
Just take time turning back. Don't fear.
Yo, call it up now. Yo, come.
Oh, you broke off.
I don't slack, don't lose when you're less than yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon that's sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out.
In fight, yeah.
Woo! Yeah!
Feel him.
Yo! That boy put me under pressure. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. What's your cigarette? I like it. Woohoo! You hear Jamaican shore fishing? Damn, I just got a good fight. No, I'm not vexed. I'm not vexed. That gave me a fight, bro. Woo! Yeah, he broke the line. Broke the leader. The wire lead didn't break. It was a monosided leader that broke. But yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah, it felt like a stingray. It was a stingray because he was laying on the bottom. Holy shit. That was a big boy. Yo, that was a big boy. That boy told me up, boy. I feel like I just did a whole full workout a while ago. What? What? Oh! Yo, Jamaican shore fishing. Big up your damn self. My other camera is down, guys. I'm gonna get this next wire lead out there, guys. Holy shit. Alright, we're gonna give him a little bit more trickiness. I'm gonna send it back out there with another piece of mullet, guys. This time I'll probably pick up a shark. Woo!
Yeah man, see the water. Yeah man, right there little food, that little food they were taking.
A bait fish. A mullet.
Oh, you get mullet.
I brought it with me.
Live or?
Dead. Cut mullet. You want a piece?
Yeah, but we need sinker.
Here goes sinkers.
Sinker and line.
Huh?
Sinker and hook.
Sinker and hook.
Yeah.
Here. Here goes that rig.
Yeah.
Whole rig set up. You can handle that?
Yeah man.
Alright. Hook is on it. Everything's on it. Just pin it onto your line.
Sorry, you never bring up that. Yeah.
Because nobody know if
so
a
I'm
fish
the-
or not.
No, it was a stingray. I'm sure it was hugging the bottom. It's not like a regular fish. He was moving off, but then he hugged the bottom. He moved off, I turned him around, then he moved off and sucked onto the bottom. That's how they operate. Now if it was a jack or anything like that, sideways. Barracuda up and down the beach. That's how they operate. I've been fighting these fish for a long time, bro. It's just, I knew I was gonna hold one on the mullet, you know, either a shark, stingray, or a barracuda on the mullet bait. I was just sure that.
Lead a line or this good?
So yeah, man.
Give me them, Jay.
That's good. That's good. Work it.
Come on.
If you want to change the sinker weight, I have here. Here goes the lighter one.
Yeah,
just untie it and just cut it. Yeah. And here, find one. I got to bait up back again. Excuse me, bro. Ooh, the adrenaline's still going, dog. That shit feels good. Yo!
Here?
Love this shit. I love this, bro.
I just say I must enjoy yourself. Use it or catch it.
I catch it. Yeah, you mean, man, that's the whole fun about it.
This is the whole thing about fishing that I love, that you can just get out here and just
the fight.
the fight
Just
alone.
the fight.
Alright, so this is what I want to do with this. I want to bust this up real quick. Oh my god.
Oh boy. Long time I don't do this, you know.
Why this gone?
Bruh.
Huh?
No, I don't know. No, that's
What that?
None.
You can get where? Real good.
What is that? Is that a jaguar
This?
on your back?
Yeah. You see where that drop? That's right. I have a bell over here. Give me that bell.
Yeah. You have more bell in there? Zero.
No, just the one up there, huh?
This is yours, Leo?
Yeah. Right now. It's heightened excitement.
I guess that's always good for the views.
Me can't show how me throw line on them I fight fish.
But nobody can throw line go so far. But it's your line.
Yeah.
Right? We can't just tell it to low it, so we leave it alone.
No, but he might want something that
No, I have these set.
yeah, them fish there go after live
Live bait. Yeah,
them
if you're not throwing lures all the way out there, it don't make no sense.
Far still.
Yeah, that's a good. I can do it with my light. My other rod, I reach out that bitch with it. I cast pretty far with my lures. I've since a 3-4 times, then come here since then.
Yeah.
Then come back right here, so then come right here, so then go down right here, so then come back up. Nah, they sprat them. I sprat them, man.
Look how there right to some money, you know.
That's what I was thinking, but yo, you say you want to shoot that pump, you know? That's go for next one. Slow your fuck.
The best time that I catch pompanos, and permit jacks at 4 o'clock in the evening or 4 o'clock in the morning.
Pompano and flat jack, you catch them
Yeah.
right there. My boy don't fuck around, you know, man. Come up with a focus bag of fish, you know.
This soon. This need for I gotta go for the last fish.
Yeah.
Tight and
Yeah, guys, it's soft.
I send it right through the bone, right behind the bone, and go behind the bone and come up.
Oh man, like
Yeah.
for expose it.
Yeah.
Their own spot.
Yeah.
And me never seen a spot over the side. A spot in-
Sprat them. I walk around the whole island and cast out lures straight round. And one barra I pick up and one snapper. Snapper was about this big. He dropped off as I got to the shore.
police. Carry this back. Yo, food suppose ready now, Leo. Yeah, that's here in the missing, you know. I'm gonna blood clot.
Are you one master?
Crackers and water.
Eh? Yeah, you have to watch your step. Put this in this here, man. You on it?
All this, quick. This one. Me not set it yet, me not set it yet.
You know, on it. He's on it. He's not on it.
Well, him just that pick. Me never set it. That one there pick too.
Let them go and pick, man. I feel them time now, man.
Two of them there pick.
Oh yeah, funny. Lure. Oh, fish.
Snapper.
Yeah, pick. The one there pick too.
Snapper. I feel them time now, no?
You see it?
How me do that, man?
Oh.
Are you line king on the bong, right?
Yeah, maybe.
When I have to go catch some food around and stuff from the mechanic, I have to watch the line to blood bleed, boy. Because them fish are serious out there in the dog. One grab the line on your way around so then peel off line for you, you know. And this time when I hit, watch, make him catch him, man. Make him go on, he don't get it yet. He just nibbling. Grab it and run. Just grab it and run, man. That's all I'm on. So that's just pick. Hits, when they hit, they pull that knob over. Once they pull that level over, boy, you know you better get in there. Take it. Just grab it and run. Grab it and run. Don't play with it.
No shark. Yeah, can be no shark in Kettle.
Nah, man, no shark will run faster than that. They run. Whee!
They want them up to Yo! Food ready? Yeah. Not. My food, I'm serious.
Oh.
Grab one for me, Ratty, please.
What's that on?
I pick all three of them. My fair watch them.
Hungry out there?
They say running just knock every hungry in me the harder. But they knock the rich hungry out of me. They make it worse. Yes, I am. Grab me now, man. Grab me now, man. I rod for moving. The rod is what's moving. You don't worry about the line. The line will swing, sway, breeze will blow it. But that's why I keep tension on them tight. So that when the fish do hit it, the hook set automatically. I have circular hooks. Now, dogs. Yeah, shrimps, crab, and mullet.
Which one is my mullet?
Shrimps. Oh, crab.
Shrimps, crab and mullet. So we have which one
No, man. We have shrimps, crab, and mullet.
Which one?
That's our crab. And this is shrimps and this is mullet.
I crab is not on the loving.
That's what I'm talking about. Touch ribs now. Sharp though.
Broke my ducks today.
I broke my ducks too. Catch from barrow.
Ready?
You know, cooler.
Which one?
Round this up.
Obi.
What is it? How I call me? Bang bang.
Where do you get in there?
Where at? Yeah man, Jamaican shore fishing guys. Yeah man. Some rice and chicken. I try to put some food in our system before we push out some unspan in.
Yeah, man, miss that.
No, Dan. I'm grown so. I'm grown at 10. I'm grown at 10. Sit down. Oh man. Excuse. Hey puppy.
Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. We on the hunt. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at this guy. Ratty. Jamaica adventures. Yeah, man, this is what happened after all the adventures, guys. When I walk, you know, listen, what I saw, change gear. Jano star. Man, knock out people.
But we're there in ICAM people, we're there with Jano. We're there with Dean, guys. Big up to Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. We're there, you know, guys, and we'll link up with Jerry and nephew. Right, look here. How to make me drop over? Sorry. Looking for flexible fiberglass tents. Yes, guys, we're in ICAM, but the rest of the kitchen over there, so I didn't get a chance. Yes, I have it on the other camera, but my DJI get damaged tonight, people. Damn, Jano. Yo, you guys need to donate a new camera to me. I keep on damaging all these cameras on YouTube. So, guys, big up yourselves. And we have Ratty over there, who caught third gear a while ago, as you guys seen. Knockout. We are gonna find Hakeem from Jamaica Adventures in a minute, you know, people. Cause me see my pump up bed and set up tent around and Ratty look a while, but yo, stay tuned, guys. We are out here, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We're here getting some food in the system. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Getting ourselves set up for the morning so we can get out there and do some fishing. We got Jamaican Adventures here. Ratty over there asleep. I don't even know where Hakeem went, but you know, yeah, Hakeem gone 9-10 go sleep. Everybody asleep, but the rest of the crew there, so people eat some food and get something in our system for the early morning fishing. Getting have some chicken and some festival and fish. And yeah, man, a late night hours, guys. Yeah, 2 o'clock in the morning, and chef there fan dear. Yo, that chef the bad your fat brother fan dear. They're cooking.
Yo, the man said he's cooking breakfast too.
And he's cooking breakfast. So we have some barras in the cooler we caught from earlier, guys. Stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna drop a clipping in a little short video still, and check it out for that barra catch. Alright, guys, big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, and then we have a par. We catch some barras early on the boat when we was coming in. We're gonna have those footage too. Big up yourself, stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.